Hello and welcome back. So now in this video we will create a script for our ammo and the magazine count. So let's just simply name this as ammo count. Let's open the script, and in here we will create a public text, and let's name this as ammunition text. And after this create another public text and name this as magazine text. And as you know, this script will be used inside the rifle, because right here we shoot the ammunition and also we update the magazines. So right here we will show the ammo out text, and also we will show the UI text. Okay, so for that we need a occurrence. So we will simply say public static ammo count, and let's name this as occurrence. After this create a awake function, and in here the occurrence will be set to this, and then let's create a public void function by the name of update ammo text. In here we will pass an integer by the name of present ammunition, and then we will simply say ammunition text dot text equals to ammo dot space plus, and we will show the present ammunition, and basically this present ammunition will come from the rifle text. Okay, this rifle script, we have the present ammunition right there, and the present ammunition is set to maximum ammunition, and that is 20. So first of all we will update the ammo text. So now the ammo text will be set to ammo dot 20. Don't worry, we will pass this from the rifle script to this one. Okay, but first let's just create the other function for updating the magazines. So we will say update mag text, and in here we will pass an integer by the name of, so in here type mag dot text, and this will be equals to magazines dot space, and we will show the number of magazines. Now let's pass the present ammunition and the magazines from the rifle script to the ammo count. So if we come right here to the rifle script, let's scroll down. After this if condition, let's type a comment for updating the UI. Right here we will update the UI. So now we will say ammo count dot occurrence dot update ammo text, and this update ammo text is now this function which needs the present ammunition. So let's assign the present ammunition variable to there, and as you can see the present ammunition is equals to the maximum ammunition, which is 20. So now present ammunition right here will be 20. After the ammunition, let's pass the magazines. So we will say ammo count dot occurrence dot update magazine text, and in here we will pass the mag, and as you know the number of mags is 15, so it will pass the magazine text right there. And as you know, whenever the present ammunition becomes 0, the magazine will gradually decrease, and right here in the updating UI the magazine will also decrease as well as the ammunition. If this is done, save the script. Let's get back to the ammo count. Right here we need to type magazine text, because as you can see it is mag text, and on this script we are dealing with the UI, so make sure at the top you type unityengine.ui. So now save the script, get back to Unity. Right here on this rifle, let me minimize all of this. Okay, and let's add the ammo count script here. Now we need to provide the text. So for the munition text we will add the ammo text, and for the magazine we will add that. Okay, let me move now inside 3D mode. Here is our player. Let's move it, the player there. Okay, for no such reason, let me now start the game. And as you can see now, the ammo is 20 and the magazine is 15, and now if you try to shoot, as you can see now the enemy decreases, sorry, the ammo decreases, and now the magazine is 14, and now when we shot another magazine it's now 13, and now it's 12. And let me make this to 0. As you can see now the magazines are 2, and now let's just finish these 2 magazines. And now as you can see we can't fire a bullet. Now right here we will show a UI text that your ammo is finished, or you can say ammo out, but we will do that in the next video. So see you guys in the next one.